So we're here in the garage. I'm getting ready to grill up these steaks. We have the flank steaks from D and Peeler Meats. It's gonna be a really simple recipe. I'm just gonna grill these steaks. They were marinated a little bit. So I've also got the scallions we're gonna grill up. Those cook up really quickly, and then on top of the hot steak and the scallions we're gonna put this goat cheese to melt, and it's just gonna be a really simple recipe that comes together pretty quick. So I hope you guys enjoy. So we're just gonna make a little marinade here for the Peeler Farms Wagyu flank steaks. Voodoo Ranger American Haze. This is what I'm drinking. Fat Tire Texana brand. 100% extra virgin olive oil from Texas. I'm just gonna marinate them in this plastic baggie here. Whole grain mustard. Massage it up. I've got this cool little starter on my grill. You basically put a little thing of camp gas in there, turn it on and light it, and if you can see that little bar in the middle there, that is just like the little gas feeder. So I use that to start my coals. These are not quite ready yet. Once they're orange and glowing, we will get it going. Okay, kind of got a 2-zone thing going on here. I'm gonna do the hot side over here, you can see, with the wood and the coals, and then the cool side on that side. Starting to cook these hot now. They got about 90 degrees internal. I've got this butter beer marinade mixture here, and we're just working on them. Just want to keep flipping them and giving them this base, giving them this butter, the beer.